Hey guys, so it's your boy official Yashvia Gaming. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you some useful stuff about config making and burp suit. All right, so yeah, just strap on and keep watching. All right, so what you need is burp suit. So I'm gonna which I already installed on my PC on my machine. So this is a community edition. I'm gonna select a temporary project. I'm gonna hit next, and then I'm just gonna use burp defaults. Once it's on, I'm gonna click on get. Yeah, I'm gonna click on target proxies. All right. Then I'm gonna click on I'm gonna open browser right here. I'm gonna go to netflix.com. Netflix.com. All right. /login. All right. So you can see all the stuff. All right, how Netflix operates. Okay, so you can either filter settings, like if you'd like to search for something like the API or whatever. So right here I'm searching for, you can see some reCAPTCHA enterprise, Google reCAPTCHA. All right, so here we have like this. All right, so let me clear this URL right here. And right here, let's say I'm gonna put like whatever. You're giving at 123 gmail.com. Alright, incorrect password. Alright, so as you can see, this is an API. So I'm gonna highlight this API, whatever color that you'd like to write it. Okay. Here as you can see, we have a reCAPTCHA. I'm also gonna show you how we're gonna bypass this reCAPTCHA. Here as you can see, here we have incorrect password. So all you have to do is copy this. Alright, here in the search, you can paste this, Ctrl V, and bam, incorrect password. Or you can just right here filter by regex, incorrect password, and click show all, apply and close. It's gonna show you the API about it. Okay. So fortunately, let's see. Okay. There, you're gonna go to configs, web. So now copy the options as well. This is options, and then we're gonna paste this right here. Then we're gonna grab this one, change this into post right here. So what you need to do, guys, is you wanna edit the cookies. These cookies right there, like GSID timestamp. So actually, to get that, all we need is to go one step back. Like, go to netflix.com/login. Okay, so this one is a geolocation. Alright, we're gonna grab that as well. This is a geolocation, so we're gonna add it on top. Alright, on top right here. Paste. So let's label this so we don't get confused. Alright, so this is get. So I copy this, paste. Select all, paste like that. And then we're gonna create a pass. As you can see, this is country. We're gonna pass this as JSON. So I'm just gonna put C as country. Alright, C in uppercase letters, like that. And right here we do have like where's the yeah, netflix.com right there. Alright, here we go. As you can see, it's the status code is 200 right here. So let's highlight it so we don't lose it. Alright, just copy that. Alright, before we do that, so we're gonna paste that in, grab all, open a notepad. Next, we're gonna remove the cookies from this one, select all, cut, paste. So this is a get, okay, get, you can whatever, do that. Now all you want to do is to find those cookies. So let's see if we find the cookies. Cookies. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disable both these. So this one I'm gonna label this as option, and this one is post. Alright, so right here okay, so there we go. Here it is. So all you want to do is grab this and paste it right here in the search bar. Click next. As you can see, it's calling the URL from this, and we do get a response like that. So now to paste the cookies in the source right here, we are write cookies like that. So here we have 1, 2, that's it, 3. Okay, so we have 3 of them. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I duplicate them. As you can see, now I can just like secure Netflix. Okay, there's another secure Netflix ID. So this one is NFVID. Okay, so there's 4 of them. Okay, so this one is Netflix ID right here, and lastly we have this one, the JS ID. Alright, just like that. Now I'm gonna uncheck this. I'm gonna uncheck that. Now I'm gonna go back to this, and then I'm gonna just replace, find and replace. Okay, like that. Secure Netflix ID. So secure. It ends right Nope, ends right here. CQ and then Netflix ID. This, it ends with the right there. Then copy this thing. You wanna remove this, add it right here. So there we have this. This is for the post method. Alright, as you can see, the content type is application JSON. We're gonna change that, and then let's see. So I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna search for the alright auth URL. Let's see, auth URL. Alright, here it is, the auth URL, which is, it starts from here, member auth. So, and then it finished like this. Auth URL. So now we're gonna convert this. As you can see, what you can do is unescape. Okay, choose unescape right here. In the input the block that we pass like that, and I'm gonna call this one as auth URL. Next, what do we have? Do we have country, which is country US, whatever, local English ID. So yeah, this one, the ESN generator model. Alright, so it starts right here, ESN, and then it finishes up there, ESN, bam. Here we have X prefix like that. So I'm gonna call this as X. Browser name Chrome. You see, so this one browser name B, just like that. And then I have like OS version V. Okay, then we have X OS name, OS, which is full name Windows 2010, Windows X Netflix type. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if we can find country like that. This is American English country. You can see that. Yes. Local ID. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay, now before we do that, okay. Alright, so platform is that, this version, which is V, the 35. What else we have? We got this. What the hell is this? The headers, data headers UI version. So whatever that is. What the hell? That notepad UI version platform. Yes, and prefix browser name. Let's see. Okay, Chrome browser version, OS, Windows. So this, the platform, just write OS like that. Okay, as you can see, the local, yes, English, whatever, local. I did find it right here. It was supported right here, local, English, US. EN, US. Search. So call this local. Just like that. L, and then two lowercase local at the L right here. Local. We have this one. Nope, we don't. What else do we have? Quest ID. Nope, not Acura. X, Netflix, type, whatever. Again, this one I was gonna see, so it's L, accept language. There we have this, so just find this one. Don't have foreground. Token foregrounds, yes, device. Let's find this one. Operation name, CL, nope, okay. So there we have this, we have that. Bucket. We don't have bucket. High. Client type, top UI level, this upstate, okay. Alright, just grab it, paste it right there. Okay, now we're gonna grab this, all of it, copy, paste, there. So now you don't need to remove this and thing and stuff, okay? Again, so this is local web 2x. Let's search that. Web 2x resolution mode. Okay, CLS and whatever that is. Session ID. Bam, bam, bam. You can do that. You can change that if you want, but I'm just gonna focus about this from here. Change that into user. The password is attacker123. Change that into past. String value, whatever that is, +1 country code. So we'll search this country code. What is it? 3 initial value. So if you can't, just find +1. Nope, we don't have that either. Alright, no wonder. Now what you want to do as was a recaptcha, guys, you want to remove this value right here, keep it blank. Here where it says US right here, as you can see, it's whatever we gave here is, where's the country, okay? The geolocation is country, geolocation 1 trust, okay. So it's 4. My god, country. Yeah, okay, so yeah, we can use that as country. Okay, C. Alright, this. Next, all we gotta do is cut that. Cut and put it right here. We're gonna create function, a length. And gonna call this length. Okay, len means for length. Alright, now we're gonna find the content length and just rename that to there. Okay, now we're gonna add a key check, which burp suit. Here all we gotta do is search for membership status. Membership status, was it? Nope. Status. So just search for anonymous. So we don't have anonymous right here. Let's see if we have current member. Okay, mode. Alright, so as you can see, I have this mode login. So that's why it's gonna go to fail. If it was mode and then member home like that, it's gonna go to success. So we now see our incorrect password. Okay, as you can see right here, rich context value for incorrect password. I'll grab that and add it right here. Okay, bam, 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 bam. I don't worry about this session ID, whatever that is. Okay, as for this, the recaptcha. Alright guys, so I was saying about the recaptcha. So filter that and you wanna write recaptcha right here, apply and close. Okay, now we're gonna focus on, let's see, this, the request get. For that you'll need of course you'll need of a tool. So you'll need a plugin. I'm gonna share the plugin. So I'm gonna put that right here above the option, like right below the option. Alright, so in the recaptcha post you are gonna paste okay, so this is for get. Alright, this recaptcha enterprise, as you can see the method is get. When I right click copy and when I put it right here in recaptcha you will get, and when I paste it in the referral as well. Now when I grab the post, okay, this one, the reload, this, once you see the reload / reload into it, just grab it and paste it in post. Remove this bg, this here, let's hit solve. I'm gonna name this solved. Let's see. Okay, so as for the test, I'm just gonna test this. Alright, this recaptcha, where is it? Right here. Cut, switch back. Let's save this. Create a brand new config right here. Switch back to script, paste. Switch to stack view and just click the start button. We should get this variation number, which is solve. Okay, as you can see, solve, we do get the recaptcha. Okay, we do got the thing. Okay, it's solved corresponsibly. Now switch back, go to manager and delete the this one. go back to double click and switch to Lali script once again. Scroll down to, once I said above, okay, right here, maybe right here above the option, and switch back. Now grab this. Now find the what says recaptcha response where we have left it blank. Okay, it was blank, as you can say, recaptcha response token right here. So this we give like this name here, this variable name. So when I replace it as this, cut, Control X, or right click, cut, and don't forget to replace it, put it right here, and replace it in the post data as well. All right, now save your config. As for success, I do know that there's a universal something like browse, universal browse, something like that. If okay, so I'll be checking an account. I'll be checking a good Netflix account. Guys, so as you can see, it did lag in. As you can see, this is from Bubsuit. As you can see, I did lag in right here. Who's watching? Okay. So here is bam, and here I get like, where is it? Okay, navigating to browse. Okay, so you can grab this like that and put it right instead of here, navigating to browse. Here you have universal browse as well, just like that. Okay, and as you can see, secure Netflix ID. So now you can go back and grab, just write cookies. Okay, cookies or whatever, cookies, maybe cookie. All right, now you're gonna unescape, or you will decode each one of them. Cookies 1, for instance. So this is gonna grab all the cookies, including the Netflix ID as well. It's gonna UL decode that, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna save that as well. So you're gonna click File, Append Lines. Here, let's say you wanna if you wanna save this into, let's say for example, into Netflix, it's gonna create a folder. So let me show you. So let's say I'm gonna write Netflix, this, and then hits.txt. So what this will so this is a path. Okay, so what it will do inside the root right here, it's gonna create a folder which is called Netflix, and inside the folder Netflix gonna make a hits.txt a hits text document will be created. Okay, for Netflix, valid, whatever. If you rename this as valid right here, so a valid will be created, and it's gonna save this, as you can see, user boss, and then maybe login cookies, and then just paste this right here. Grab that. We need the one which has decoded. Okay, you can use an escape, or you can decode it as well. Decoded, it's much better, but yeah, let's do an escape. An escape's the input. Yeah, but you are decode. All right, let's do decode right there. Make sure that right here you do this. Here you're gonna write like credential, user password. It's gonna capture the email and the password, and then it's gonna grab the login cookies. Okay, the cookies or whatever, login Netflix login cookies. All right, save hits. So you can label that valid. So now I call this login cookies. Alright, now make sure that you delete that, and boom. As you can see, we've just created a new configs. Now if you'd like to find the browse, okay, money ball, as you can see, authorization, we have like no sniff, access to Netflix. Now if I would like to just type in account right here, I'm just gonna write netflix.com account / account. Okay, you can see that it's gonna grab the account. I'm gonna highlight this, something like that. Yeah, just wait for the website to load. You might need to reload the page one more time if it does not. Okay, as you can see now, you can see how it created right here. Now if you'd like to add captures like that, grab this, like instead of the save hits. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, no problem. If even if it will save the hits, okay, it will save the cookies. Okay, save cookies like that. Okay, login cookie, Netflix login cookies. Oh, what you can do, guys, is instead of this, you know, write cookies and then just save only one cookie, which is that, this one. You want to save only the Netflix ID cookie. Make sure that you just write Netflix cookies right here. You will decode it, Netflix cookies. So net cookie, and then Netflix here, you wanna write something like Netflix ID cookies, Netflix ID, and then paste this net cookie. All right, now account, so you're gonna make this as get account or whatever the fuck you wanna do that. Okay, put that right here. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so that's why I told you to, as you can see here, it shows all the cookies. All right, so that's why I have shown you to, like, instead of doing this one, what you can do is to grab all the cookies that Netflix will pass. So let's say cook one. Okay, cookie one, whatever. What? Don't okay, cookies. Alright, let's put a different name like cook one. That's why I told you to grab all the Netflix cookies. This one will grab all the Netflix cookies, all right? And then what you wanna do, you wanna escape, or you will decode them, or whatever. You will decode, not decoded, cook. Make sure that decoded like that. Alright, no problem. Netflix cookies, and then this gonna, what the hell? It's gonna decode this Netflix ID. So Netflix ID 2 right here. Login cookies right here. So save the login cookies. Okay, something like that. Login cookies. Alright, so after that, this one as well, you can add it right here, like cookie, all the cookies. So I'm gonna put all cookies, all cookies. Alright, this all cookies, all decoded. I'm gonna write all decoded, and then yeah. So now what I can do is to just put all decoded right here in the cookies, and grab the whole thing and put it right here. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm just gonna search for like a premium plan or whatever. Search for, okay, as you can see, account overview, like to find the plan premium. Alright, so this is current plan, as you can see. Bam, bam, bam. So I'm gonna grab it from here. Localize plan name. Okay, so plan name. What comes next is, as you can see, max stream, numeric value 4. So this is a 4 screen Netflix account, even though it says we can't, it says we can't process your payment, whatever, the account is on hold. Yeah, this is max stream. I'm also gonna show you how you're gonna add this. Let's say the account is on hold. Okay, that's why they couldn't, as you can see, your account is on hold, retry your payment. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna as well pause this. It's still gonna give you success, but it's gonna go to like custom. Okay, I'm gonna show you that in a second. Like that, video quality. Now if you don't wanna do that, the video quality, so that means it's just gonna capture like this. It's gonna capture the plan name, which is premium. But what I would like to do is to make it like, when it captures, I usually does this, like it writes premium UHD, whatever, UHD or HD, whatever, it's on the same line, the UHD. Alright, so how we do that, instead of it's gonna do like max stream on the second lines, okay, max streams 4, and then it's gonna do the video quality, which is UHD Ultra HD. Okay, so how we gonna do that? I want it to display on the same fucking line. All right, so what you wanna do, you wanna move the video quality above the plan, and don't take is capture for on the video quality, and use prefix or suffix. So add a space in the suffix and paste this video quality. So now once it's gonna capture it like this on the same line. So let's say the plan is mobile, and then it, instead of mobile 720p, okay, it's gonna capture like this. Now the plan name is mobile 720p, and if the plan is standard HD, it's gonna capture like that, standard HD. It's gonna put the video quality on the right here. Okay, so that's why we left a space in the suffix. Now I'm also gonna show you how we're gonna translate this. Like if you'd like to go into more detail, instead of HD, you'd like to go to maybe to high quality. What's HD relate to? It's high quality, right? And if it's premium UHD, so that means Ultra HD. Don't we all know that? Yeah, we all pretty much know that. Now if you'd like to does that, then you can create a translate function, and right here you now translate HD like into high quality. Okay, fuck, I can't write Ultra HD, it's mean ultra high quality. Next, what do we have? HD, Ultra HD, 720p. If it shows 720p, that means it's a mobile plan or whatever. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that. So you get the thing right here. Yeah, HD high quality UHD ultra quality, and also the plan as well. If the plan is built through, let's say it's built through, I don't know, my canal FR, you can as well translate the plan name as well, but I would not do that. I'm just gonna keep it short like that. It's gonna capture like something like this. On the same line, it's gonna preview the plan name is premium and the video quality is this premium ultra HD. All right, enough about that. Now I'm gonna show you about the plan price. Okay, so you can see this right here, guys. You can see it is, what the fuck is that? This, guys, this thing, the /X24, it's converted into a dollar sign. All right, so I'm gonna show you how you're gonna convert it. It's really easy. All you gotta do is to grab this plan price. Okay, put it right here. All it right here we're gonna write like PP. Okay, and I'm gonna create all you want to do is to unescape it. Unescape the input. Put like the word that you gave right here, put it in the input string, and right here this is a plan price. Okay, that's it. It's gonna convert it into like this, what, it's 9.99. okay, this gonna be converted like, all right, so you got it. Yeah, so what else do we have? Payment plan ID, as you can see, value is 3108. So now you can go to GitHub and find all the Netflix plan ID. So if we just do a Google search about it, like Netflix plan ID 31 GitHub, so you will see all the plan ID. What the fuck is this? It's okay, it does not use plan ID as suggested. Plan ID is not a valid Netflix identifier, error message or whatever. Okay, so they say do not use plan ID. Maybe it's for them. It's inside the code, this thing, the plan ID. As you can see, plan ID is inside the code, but Google says do not use them. It will not be as an identifier, whatever the fuck. All right, so now as you can see, field type says custom visa. Here, well, where the fuck is CC payment? Do you guys see payment? I see payment method which says CC right here. So I duplicate this boss a few times because we're gonna need it. Yeah, payment method which is CC. Next, all you want is to write this visa, the word visa, and custom value, whatever the fuck, where it is. Custom value field type string visa. So yeah, here, this. All you want to do is grab that payment CC, payment type. Like you can do like payment type, brand, whatever. Now that's why I would like to keep the brand right there. I would pass this as last four. Okay, last 4 digits. Okay, last 4 digit, and then in the brand right here, so it's gonna capture visa, right? And then in the suffix I would put this and then put the last 4 right here. Okay, and right here I would put also the CC, the payment method, or whatever you wanna do. Okay, so this is gonna be the last 4. I'm gonna do recursive. It's just gonna capture it in like this, whatever. All right, recursive will only do this. Bam. It's gonna capture like that. So this is a brand and this is the last 4 digits. Okay, hope you guys are learning something. All right, so the brand, got brand, not. So this is payment type. Just type payment right here, right? Payment type. See now we can see next billing, whatever next billing is showing like this. Next billing. I'm also gonna show you now. As for this one, an escape will not work. If you just do an escape, the thing right here, it's not gonna work every time. You'll be getting weird captures. So what you can do is grab this, put it right here. Now put this in here. Now we're gonna call this as, let's say, billing. All right, billing. Instead of doing an escape, we will do replace. All right, when I create a function, I'm gonna choose replace, and now right here, as you can see, I'm gonna replace this. As you can see, x/x20 for this. Bam, just copy that, paste it in replace, and right here all you want to do is to add this. All right, so it's gonna replace it with only one. So the result will be, what will the result be? It will be it's gonna be converted in something like 4 June, bam, and then 2025. It's gonna be like this. Now if you would like to make it something like, or just add a space, okay, you just grab that, put a space right here. It's gonna put a space in between. If you'd like to add like something like that, okay, for June, whatever, replace it with that. It's gonna make it look like that. But whatever, if you choose not to add this, if you choose to go with a space, copy the space, paste it right here. We'll just add a space right here, and don't forget to add the word right here. We're not done yet. Billing. And now we're gonna copy this, next billing date, whatever. So what I would like to do is next billing date right here, next billing date, and right this one I'm gonna call it as expiry. And don't forget to tick is capture, otherwise it will not capture. All right, now after doing that, bam, what else do we have? The fuck again about plan price. What else am I missing? Okay, so let's go back, and this for June, next payment, whatever. Yeah, account on hold. Yeah, your account is on hold. Just grab this text, is on hold, and is on hold. Oh, on hold. All right, is active on hold. As you can see, it says true right here, true. Okay, here we go. Here you can see it has membership, country of sign up. You can write this country, get account, Netflix country, whatever. Netflix country, is DVD, whatever. Member since, you can also add this one, member since. Now if you do get this, if you get this like that, so this is a timestamp. Okay, so if you just visit any timestamp, whatever, epoch, Unix timestamp, epoch to timestamp. Okay, now just grab this value and paste it right here. Click timestamp to human date. Okay, as you can see, GMT. Wait, what the fuck? This shows Sunday. Let me try that. I mean, I don't get it. The member since this account here was created in like 2020. The fuck it was saying like 2020. Let's see that. Member since I don't have what the let's go to membership. It doesn't show about it. What? God damn. Member since, as you can see. Alright. Member since May 2025. Okay. All right. Yeah. I reignite this account. Yeah. This account was dead, so I added a payment. The payment was only the card that I used was a prepaid card, and it had only $1. Okay, it has only like 100 rupees. So yeah, it did got restart the membership, but this thing, the account is on hold. All right, so yeah, this thing is good. All right, so again, if you'd like to pause this one, like above right here, the first time right here. So if you get this, so member since MMS member since. Now what should I do? I want you to create a Unix to time, a Unix time to date. Now add this right here and grab this member since, put it in the variable name, tick is captured. Now remove it like that. Make the date format is gonna be something like this. It's only gonna show user which is 2025, whatever month, which is 01, 02, 03, whatever date. Okay, you do get that. So if we just leave it like that, so what it will do, it will give us the months, maybe something like this, and then it's gonna also give us the hours, the minutes, let's say like 15 minutes, like seconds, which is whatever. It's gonna capture like that weird stuff. Okay, so that's why I always remove this. Only get the date, month, get the year, month, and date. All right, tweak it. You can also change to seconds, to milliseconds, whatever the fuck you need. All right, so now profile name. Let's search for profile name. Let's see if we get this value. Yeah, profile name, as you can see, profile name is Smart TV. Profile name, as you can see right here. So this one, again, don't use this. So I'm gonna move one step back, put profile name right here, this, and remove that. So prof, okay. So I'm gonna create a replace. We're gonna use replace. So we're gonna replace this value right here with a space, because this gonna convert like that. It's only gonna capture this. The Smart TV is a profile name. Okay, prof, profile name, bam, there we go. The profile name here, extra slot, extra show member extra slot. Okay, section like extra slot, add-on slot, whatever. Extra show membership. Here you can do like has extra slots. What is this? Like Netflix has introduced a new slot. It means that you can give your Netflix account to anyone by just go to account, by just going to account and going to Netflix account, and what the fuck, yeah, go to Netflix account and then click on GIF or whatever, add a new slot, and what Netflix will do, it will, and just paste the user email address. Netflix will automatically give the it will give access to your account. Your account will act like a sub account for them. All right, so yeah, I'm really bad at explaining. I just hope that you guys is account paused? Nope, the account is not paused, it's on hold. Is hold payment true? Is active on hold? Yeah, true. So next, what you need to do is create a key check custom and put it like that, and now create a success, create false right here. Okay, because it is true, it will go to custom free, custom whatever. You can rename this custom. Why I untick ban? Because if you're just gonna leave it on ban, even if it shows success, at the end it will give you ban, it will ban. Okay, uncheck this is not always good. Okay, yeah. About this one, your account is on hold, so what you can do is switch back. Instead of custom, you now write this: your account is on hold. Okay, it's gonna show that. Instead of custom, it's gonna print this: your account is on hold, or just on hold, account on hold. Man, I don't give a fuck. Account on hold. Yeah. Alright, so far so good. Do like 50 bots. Yeah, let's use proxies, default proxies. You can use only SOCKS or SSL proxies. Alright, make sure that you don't set this to don't add 8 right here, so because if you add 8 or 10, this is a timeout. Okay, it's gonna use maximum proxies and it's gonna start banning your proxies. So set this value to infinite, which is 0. Go back to stacker and don't forget to hit the save button. See, here's a save button right here where I'm hovering my mouse. Okay, save it a few times, right, just to be safe, just to be sure. Now if you just click right here, you can see the blocks amount right here. All right, so you can see the author. So now people usually will do something like this. They will label, they will add a watermark into the config. They will add an author, a watermark, or whatever the fuck you would like to add. Alright, some people like to prefer to disable it, some people like to add it. Okay, whatever. Alright, so yeah, that's how we create a full config tutorial, guys. I would test it right here. I would test it with account, but maybe I should test it and then change my password later. But nope, then you will be able to get my email address. Some people will most likely spam my Yahoo account. Alright, fuck it, I've said it, it's a Yahoo account. Okay, so some people will try to send me a lot of spam, so that over 5,000, 10,000, 100k spams daily, so that Yahoo decided to finally lock my account for good. Okay, so that's how hackers have evolved nowadays. They will once they do get your email, your Gmail, whatever your email address, they will use a tool that will send like normally SendGrid. Okay, do you know SendGrid? This thing, like if you go search SendGrid, Okay, SendGrid, as you can see, SendGrid, it's an SMTP email delivery. If you have a pro account, if you have a premium account, it's gonna send like 100k email per day. All right, and those email, guys, if it comes from a paid company like SendGrid, then it will not go into spams. It will not go into your trash, your spams folder. It will directly come into your inbox folder, into your main inbox folder. And good luck deleting 100k or 50k, 50,000 emails. Good luck with that. Alright, guys, so here's configs. Yeah, I'm gonna share this config right now. Go file. So what the fuck? File manager. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna upload this config right now, and I'm gonna give you the link. All right, here's a link. Here's a QR code as well. So I'm gonna also save the QR code. Here's a QR code, guys. So you're gonna scan this QR code with your phone. You're gonna get this link. So I'm just gonna copy this link as well. Okay, here's a link. Here's a download link for this config. Okay, take your time, pause the video, and copy it. Download this config, Netflix. All right, and I'm also gonna put the fuck is it? Here's a QR code. Here's a download link for Netflix config, and here's a QR code, guys. Bam. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, at least to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comment section down below. I know this video is a long way to go, but I try to explain. I love to explain in detail. I love to get into details. Like, yeah, we learn a lot when we go into details. Yeah, we can make mistakes as well. Even I can do mistakes sometimes, and perhaps you will correct me if you have okay, if I did any mistakes. And yeah, but as far as I know, I did not. Okay, and believe me or not, this kind of thing will help you definitely get hits, and you will love my content. And of course, if you do, make sure to support me. I do not ask for your money. All right, I do not ask for your fucking money. All I ask is I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and whatever, follow me on social media, like join my Facebook group. Like, I have this Facebook group right there. Let me show you if it connects. Fucking load freaking internet, bruh. Yeah, so this is a Facebook group links. Alright, so let's approve these guys. FB group. Okay. I have another one which is Open Bullet 2 configs. Alright, so yeah, whatever, just join. Alright, this is the download link for the Netflix config and FB group. Netflix config link. Alright, this is a Netflix API, the web API. Alright, so take your time, guys. Scan the QR code. If you don't wanna write this down, nowadays people are so lazy. What you can do is open your, if you have a smartphone, obviously you do, open your camera and scan this, or just download any QR code apps on your mobile phone. Okay, on your mobile phone. I don't know why the fuck you guys from America, from West, you guys in the West is mobile, but in Europe, I've learned like British standard English. We do not say mobile, we say mobile. Okay, we say the fuck mobile, not mobile. Alright, so yeah. And even in India as well, we say mobile. We don't say fucking mobile or whatever. Alright? So yeah. Yeah, just get on your phone on your get and scan the fuck this QR code. Alright? Thanks so much for watching, guys. I don't know, guys. Sorry if I got angry. Alright? It's not that yeah, it's just fucking human speak. Everyone has different cultures about some American English, okay? American English, and we others have like accents, right? Yeah, if you do have a problem as well as for my accent, then maybe you should quit watching my videos. All right. But if you'd like to learn, if you'd like to prosper and learn and become good at config making, and you should keep watching. And yeah, about this, guys, it's this thing, the plugin. It's already inside the plugin. All right. So once you download Silver Bullet, once you download this Silver Bullet, it's already inside. When you do this, you go to plugins, you will get something like Cloud Scraper and this. These two plugins are already built in this Silver Bullet 1.1.4. And where do we get Silver Bullet 1.1.4? It's on GitHub. And then OB2 Open Bullet. What is it? It's SVB config maker. And then Silver Bullet soft. Okay, so SVB 1.1.4, it's right here. So you're gonna go to GitHub, Silver Bullet soft. What the fuck? This is not my account, guys. OB2 config maker, yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay. So this one is my account. As you can see, I have releases over 7 released. Right, like Silver Bullet 1.1.4, 1.1.3, 1.1.2, 1.1.1, whatever, okay? And you can just download this exe. It's well, it's not an exe. If you download it, then you'll need a 7-zip. It's a 7-zip converted into exe. So you'll need a 7-zip to extract this exe. Yeah, or you can just use WinRAR. WinRAR as well. It's gonna work. Okay, this thing is gonna work, and 7-zip as well is gonna work when you extract the folder. Okay, so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace.